Do you always look at the overripe bananas on your counter and wonder what to do with them? Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? So fam, today we're going to be doing some banana bread. I love me some banana bread with peanut butter. Oh my god, it tastes so delicious. So let's get right into the recipe. Whisk 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon salt, and set aside. In another bowl, we're going to peel 3 large bananas and use a fork to mash them until we have a paste-like consistency. Now that we've gotten the right consistency for our banana, we're going to set it aside, and in another bowl, add 1 stick of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar, and use a hand mixer to mix until well combined. The next thing we're going to be adding is 2 large eggs, and then we're going to beat it until well incorporated. Then we're going to add the mashed bananas. Make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl and mix again before adding your bananas. Go ahead and add your sour cream and vanilla extract and mix for 1 minute. Our banana paste has incorporated so well, so let's go ahead now and take our flour and pour that paste into your flour and use a spatula to gently stir. Do not overmix. So fam, to make our banana bread a little bit extra, we're gonna go ahead and add half teaspoon of ground cinnamon and some raisins. You could add any other thing you want, maybe chocolate chips or walnuts, whatever you prefer, but I preferred raisin at this point. So add your raisins and then you'll be ready to bake. So fam, we're gonna pour our butter into an already greased loaf pan, and we're gonna be baking our banana bread for an hour, or as much as a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out dry. Our banana bread is ready fam. Transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool completely and give yourself a treat. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.